Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do this trendy leopard print eye makeup look that is back once again. And this is my take on the leopard print. I have seen this all over Instagram. Some are doing colorful leopard print, so mine is a simple one, and I hope you enjoy watching this. So let's get into the video. Begin with, we are going to prime our lids, and for this I'm going to use my LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to blend that all well with a blending brush, not blending brush, concealer brush, and then I'm going to set that in place with Maybelline's translucent setting powder. For this look I'm going to use Morphe to Jaclyn Hill palette and the shade called Pooter on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend that all well on my crease. I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to use the shade called Roxanne from the same palette, and I'm going to dab it all over my lid so that I have this beautiful orange shade on my eyelid. I'm going to use a flat brush for this. So I'm going to first dab the product. I'm not going to drag it, but I'm going to dab it, and then I'm going to create a nice wing with the same eyeshadow because I wanted to look my eyes to look nice and elongated. And I'm going to blend that harsh edges again with the same blend transition shade called Pooter. So blending all that well. I know I keep looking at the TV, that's why my eyes are going against the TV. I want to watch what is going on. Next, I'm going to use this hotspot palette and the shade called Papi, and I'm going to add some Inglot Duraline. So I'm going to take that on a CD, and then add some Inglot Duraline so that it becomes liquidy. And I'm with the help of a eyeliner brush, I'm going to create some random spots on my eyelid. So here you see me creating some random spots. I'm not going to go too far, but a little too close so it looks nice. So this is golden. I'm going to use NYX's Epic Ink liner, and I'm going to create that outer line for the leopard print. You can create open and close brackets, you can create a U shape. So when you do this, don't look upward. You have to look down so that the eyeliner doesn't get smudged, or that golden shade doesn't get smudged as well, because it has to dry well, otherwise it will be all over the place. So here I'm creating some mats, open and close brackets. So with the same eyeliner, I'm going to create a feline liner, a thin winged liner. I'm not going to go with a thick wing liner here, so I'm creating as thin as possible and elongated liner actually, so that my eyes look all well and elongated. And I'm going to work on my inner corner as well later. Next, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to brush that all in place so that it looks nice and natural. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm going to cover my under eye dark circles, blending that all well and setting that with translucent setting powder by Maybelline. Next, I'm going to use Colourpop's Creme Gel Liner in Best O on my low waterline, and for my upper waterline I'm going to use Isadora's Contour Kajal. I'm going to bring the same Pooter shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to smoke that out as well, and I'm using the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight as well. I just love Colourpop's Creme Gel liners. You need to have these in your life. They are so nice and creamy. I'm going to elongate my inner waterline as well so that it looks nice and elongated and feline kind of look. I'm going to use Isadora's 2-in-1 brush mascara here, and I'm going to load my lashes with some mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to, and I'm going to fill that my lower lashes as well, not fill, apply the mascara on my lower lash line, and voila, this is the final look, you guys. Very easy, very simple, very trendy, edgy eye makeup look. And I love leopard prints. If you want to know how to create leopard print nail art, there is a tutorial up on my channel as well. And this is the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well at Shimmers and Polishes. And guys, there are many eye makeup, easy eye makeup and trendy eye makeup tutorials on my channel, guys. So do go and watch some of my videos, all of my videos, and hit that subscribe button, because your support means a lot to me and it will help me grow. And please share my content on all your social media handles. And I love you all, guys, and this is the look I love. I'm gonna come up with another animal print look very soon, and I hope you enjoy watching this. Y'all take care, and do let me know in the comment section below how y'all are doing. How is the COVID situation in your country, and what are y'all doing? Are y'all at work? Are y'all going to school? Are you going to can you go out, or is there a full curfew, or partial curfew in your country? Do let me know in the comment section below. And I love you guys. I take care. Bye bye.